How to turn off professional mode on Facebook without the button. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook without the button. First of all, open up the Facebook application. Once you get into your Facebook account, tap on Menu from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down in the menu and tap on Help and Support. Now from here, tap on Report a Problem from Help and Support. After that, click on Continue to Report option. Then choose the option included from the next page. Now it will ask you to choose the features you want to write a report of, like new products, pages, and different features like this. And now you can describe your problem in detail. You can write that my professional mode options are not showing. Kindly turn it off. And after describing your problem, click to send the report. Then the Facebook team will fix your problem in 2 to 3 business days. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.